Okay, so this question is asking you to work out the equation of a line, and we've got to remember that equations of lines have this form. This question was generous and actually told you the form, but you've got to remember that it's y equals mx plus c. So something to do to get the y answers, the vertical answers, you have to do something to the horizontal numbers and add or take away something. So we've got to remember what each of these things mean. So m is the gradient of the line, and that's found by doing the change in the y values divided by the change in the x values. So basically you find 2 points on the line and you work out the change in y and the change in x, and c is known as the intercept on the y-axis. So in other words, if you've got a line doing that, then that value there is c. So c is easy. We can see here that c must equal 1 because that's where the line crosses. If I choose 2 points on the graph, then these two coordinates here, and then if I draw a right angle triangle between them, so the change in the y coordinates, well, we're doing 7 take away 1, which equals 6, and the change in the x coordinates, we're doing 3 take away 0, which is 3. So the gradient is equal to the change in y divided by the change in x, well, that's 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So our equation then is y equals 2x plus 1, and we check. Alright, so we check by choosing a coordinate. Choose a coordinate on the line. Okay, so we're going to check the coordinate for 9. Okay, so the check means that that's the x coordinate, that's the y coordinate. So the y coordinate is 2 times 4 plus 1, which equals 9. Correct. So it's important that when you think you've got an answer to the equation of a straight line, like y equals 2x plus 1, then you check it by choosing a coordinate. Think what it means. It means you're doubling the x coordinate and adding 1. And if I double 4 and add 1, I get 9. So that tells us that this must be the correct answer for this particular line. So working with the equations of straight lines, again, popular questions in your exam, guys, worth practicing.